Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this video, I'm going to show you how I mixed up this resin and laid it around these old slabs. Now, these old slabs have stood solid for about 12 years now, but as you can see around them, there's some loose gravel with some greenery growing through it. Now, for your preparation, you're going to need to remove any greenery and tamper down the stone, and then you're ready to transform it. Now the area is prepared, I'm ready to start doing the mixing, and I'm only going to mix a small amount for this area. So I've got one 25 kilo bag of the clean stone, got a large mixing bucket to mix that up in, and I've got the resin here which comes in two parts, component I and component P. Them two are going to be mixed up here in the bucket. Then I add a small amount of catalyst which excels the drying time. Once that's in there, I can place that in, put the stone in to start mixing it around, and then add a small amount of sand into the mixed stone with the resin. Start by cutting the tops of the bag of either one of the components. Pour this into your DIY pack mixing bucket. Make sure you squeeze every little bit out of there because getting the correct ratios is very important. Do the same with the second bag and pour it into the bucket. Take a cordless drill and a whisk, mix this together until you get a consistent colour. Then add a small amount of catalyst. Remember, the more you add in, the quicker this is going to dry. Do remember to stick to the ratio measurements that were advised by SureSet when doing your project. Now you can take your 20 kilo bag of stone and pour it into a large mixing bucket. Pour the mixed up resin directly on top of the stone, making sure that you get all of it out of the bucket. Using an electric paddle mixer, give it a good thorough mix for about 4 to 5 minutes, making sure that the resin is covering all the stone. Once this is done, you can mix in a small amount of sand. This is going to help strengthen and bind your resin and make it easier to float when spread. Now it's ready to start laying. Pour your first bucket out into one corner, taking a hand trowel and start to spread this across the area you want to cover. I'm laying mine about 30 to 40 millimeters thick. Once I've spread it into position, I apply further weight on the trowel, pushing it down and compacting it to the right levels. Then I'll continue to do this around all of the slabs until I complete the whole area. By combining the superior clean resin and premium quality natural aggregate, marble and recycled materials, SureSet offer you the highest quality resin bound paving that is permeable, durable, UV stable, smooth and accessible, easy to maintain and SUDS compliant. SureSet resin systems are committed to providing you with a consistent high quality products. The strength of the products is in the resin technology itself and is available for installers to be able to offer value for money and excellent installation service. When installed by a SureSet team, approved installer or global partner, the installation is backed by their 21-year guarantee. 2 days ago, I laid the resin around these old slabs. These have been down for about 12 years and they are solid. But the resin was laid down a couple of days ago and now it's dry. So I'm going to see how permeable it is. Bearing in mind it's gone all the way around these slabs which are bedded on concrete. So they're nice and solid. No water is going to travel through them. It's just going to pour off along the sides. This bucket is 10 litres. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds, and it's completely drenched through all the resin areas. The slabs are still wet, of course, it's running to one side, but this here, there is no water standing on there whatsoever. It's brilliant. So that's how quick and easy it is to mix and lay your own DIY resin kit from SureSet. If you're looking for more inspiration, check us out on all social media handles. But if you just want to know more about the vast range of products that SureSet stock, check out their website, sureset.co.uk.